Today we're going to take a look at some home automation devices from one specific manufacturer. This video is not sponsored, as no video for this channel ever will be. These are products that I personally use and thoroughly enjoy and appreciate the company. The company in question is Wyze, and we're going to start off with one of their newest products, the Wyze Cam OG, which is an indoor and outdoor 1080p Wi-Fi smart cam. Live stream with color night vision, monitor your home day or night with 1080p HD video, and color night vision. Wyze Cam OG is a wired video camera with an IP65 rating, so you can confidently install it outside in the rain or inside in the kids' room. Wyze Outdoor Power Adapter, sold separately, required for outdoor use. Sports a 40 lumen built-in spotlight and mini siren to ward off would-be package thieves. Wyze Cam OG alerts you instantly when motion or sound is detected. Motion detection zones and custom settings allow you to adjust the sensitivity of detection or turn it off completely. It's secure cloud recording as well as person, package, pet, and vehicle detection with Cam Plus. Subscription required, or insert a microSD card, sold separately, to record videos locally. Wyze Cam OG includes a non-slip, non-stick stand, perfect for placing anywhere. A mounting kit with screws and quick connect system is also included for fast, easy mounting, indoors or outdoors. We started off with the OG, as Wyze has always been focused on amazing cameras, and our next couple of products will be cameras from them as well. The next one is the Wyze Cam Pan version 3. Wyze Cam Pan version 3 is a wired pan and tilt video camera with an IP65 rating, so you can confidently install it and track the action, whether outside in the rain or inside in the nursery. Pan, tilt, and zoom in full 1080p HD, live stream from anywhere and control remotely using the Wyze app to check any part of the room, fast, or monitor a room automatically in a constant pattern by setting 4 predefined waypoints. Panning has a 360-degree left, right rotation range, and tilting has a full 180-degree vertical up and down range. Go beyond motion and sound alerts. Wyze Cam Pan doesn't just detect motion, it locks onto it, unfriendly, friendly, or furry, automatically following the action all around the room. Engineered for speed, precision, and quiet operation. Wyze Cam Pan version 3 does its job smoothly and discreetly without noisy gearworks. Record nighttime video in full, vivid color in environments up to 25 times darker than traditional cameras. Next on our list is the camera that really brought things to a new level for Wyze, and it's the Wyze Cam version 3. This was their first entirely weatherproof camera and had the new sensors for color night vision, which is an amazing technology. An all-new Starlight sensor records nighttime video in full, vivid color. The Starlight sensor can see full color in environments up to 25 times darker than traditional video cameras, and the new f1.6 aperture captures 2 times more light. Wyze Cam version 3 is a wired video camera with an IP65 rating, so you can confidently install it outside in the rain or inside in the kids' room. Wyze Outdoor Power Adapter, sold separately, required for outdoor use. Wyze Cam records video when motion or sound is detected and sends an alert straight to your phone. Motion detection zones and custom settings allow you to adjust the sensitivity of detection or turn it off completely. Continuous video recording with a 32GB microSD card, sold separately. Just insert the microSD into the base of the Wyze Cam and you're all set. IFTTT certified, connect all of your different apps and devices. When you sign up for a free account, you can enable your apps and devices to work together. Building onto the Wyze Cam version 3 is the Wyze Cam Floodlight, which actually has a version 3 built into it right out of the gate and has an additional USB port on it to attach a second one as well. 2 super bright, adjustable LEDs for a combined 2600 lumens of light, and a handy dimming option where less brightness is desired. 3 individually controlled PIR sensors provide for 270 degrees of customizable motion detection. Range and sensitivity are adjustable up to 30 feet. Built-in Wyze Cam version 3 provides sound detection, as well as artificial intelligence and the ability to identify and record motion with or without the floodlight in 1080p Full HD with Starlight sensor color night vision. Dusk to dawn automation. Wyze Cam Floodlight knows when the sun is down and when it's up. No need to turn the floodlight on or off once it's connected. Incredibly easy to install in just a few quick moments, and is a wonderful security upgrade to your existing outside lights. We all love our smart video doorbells, and Wyze recently came out with one to dominate the market. I've never been too crazy for the Ring doorbell and had pre-ordered the Wyze doorbell when they first announced it, and it hasn't disappointed me at all. One of the great things about it is that it doesn't require a hardwired connection and has a battery that lasts a few months before recharging is needed. Wire-free, screw-free, hassle-free, effortlessly mount Wyze Wireless Doorbell Pro for front porch protection in under 30 seconds. Screws and hardwiring equipment, though optional, are included for even more ways to install. See the whole story? Clearly, a 1440 by 1440 fuller than HD sensor means you'll see it all with 33% more clarity than traditional HD cameras. Record more, recharge less, with up to 3 months of battery life. See spring and summer pass before recharging for fall and winter. Chime included. Hear your doorbell ring, chirp, or bark. Choose between 20 unique tunes and 8 sound levels to find the perfect chime for you. Even scare off potential intruders with a dog bark. Optional upgrade available. Upgrade to Cam Plus to receive real-time alerts when people are detected and store full-length videos in the cloud for 14 days. Carrying on with the security side of Wyze products, we have the Wyze Home Security Core Kit, 24/7 professional security monitoring. Get a text or call from a professional security agent in 5 seconds, yes, seconds or less after an alarm is triggered. If an emergency is confirmed or they can't reach you, 911 will be alerted and help sent immediately. Easy DIY installation, do-it-yourself home security has never been easier. Every security and monitoring sensor connects wirelessly to the Wyze Sense Hub, so just peel, stick, and you're done. With our beloved industry-leading app experience, you can control and monitor your home status anywhere, anytime. Arm and disarm your home remotely, view Wyze cam feeds, set up automatic security schedules, and check the history of your home's sensors. Our system supports up to 100 sensors, and expanding is as easy as peel and stick. Customize your monitoring system to your exact home, or just add more sensors as your needs change. You can even add Wyze Sense climate and leak sensors to your system to make sure your home is safe from Mother Nature too. $9.99 per month. No hidden fees. Professional home security shouldn't just be for the wealthy. At Wyze, we believe deeply in providing quality technology at a price anyone can afford. At $9.99 per month, our service is a fraction of the market average. The monitoring service is only available for the 50 United States at this time. One staple in home automation is the ability to control your lights and your plugs. Our next 2 items from Wyze do exactly that, starting with the Wyze lamp socket power adapter, which can be used with the new Wyze Cam version 3 seconds. It powers the additional Wyze Cam by using exterior light fixtures for continuous power, though it can also be used indoors as well if you need a USB outlet near a lamp or room light. It effortlessly converts standard bulbs into motion-activated security lights as well. Installation is as easy as changing a light bulb. Wirelessly link up to 5 lamp sockets together to synchronize and control your exterior lighting from anywhere in the Wyze app. Dusk to dawn scheduling automatically turns your lights on at sunset and off at sunshine, so there's no wasted power, and makes it to where you never have to worry about flipping that light switch ever again. Wyze lamp socket uses your existing exterior light fixture to power a Wyze Cam version 3, so you can ditch the ugly extension cords and gain a whole lot of smart features. Wyze lamp socket not only powers a Wyze Cam version 3, but also converts your standard bulbs into motion-activated security lights for peace of mind. Link up to 5 lamp sockets together to synchronize and control your exterior lighting from anywhere in the Wyze app. Turn on dusk to dawn scheduling to keep your exterior lights on only at night, and then have them turn off again automatically in the morning. Oh, and installation is as easy as screwing in a light bulb. I know, really, it's exactly the same. Simply unscrew your old bulb, screw in Wyze lamp socket, screw your existing bulb into Wyze lamp socket, and voila. Simple as never been so convenient. Switch to smarter security and smarter exterior lighting with Wyze lamp socket. As promised in our last item, the other staple for smart homes, the smart plug. Command your home with your voice. When your hands are full or you just don't want to move, use your voice to turn things on and off by asking your smart assistant. We made Wyze Plug work with Alexa and the Google Assistant, so it's easier said and done. Control your home from anywhere, check the status of all of your Wyze plugs, and turn them on or off remotely so you can avoid high energy bills and fire hazards. On when you need it, off when you don't. Wake up to the smell of fresh brewed coffee in the morning with scheduling in the Wyze app. Custom scheduling in the Wyze app lets you turn Wyze plugs on or off at specific times of the day so you can have your coffee start at 6 a.m. and turn off at 6:15 a.m. Manage an entire room with grouping. Grouping in the Wyze app lets you connect multiple Wyze plugs to one room so you can turn everything on or off at once at the tap of a finger or command to your smart assistant. Something that I find completely necessary with my houses nowadays is having a smart lock on it. Something that will lock the door when I leave and will unlock it when I get there, and make it to where I don't need a key anymore. Wyze has me covered here as well. I don't actually own this version of the Wyze lock bolt, as I have the older and original one which has worked just fine for me for 3 years now, so I haven't upgraded to the newer version. Wyze lock bolt recognizes your fingerprint and unlocks the door in under a second. Store up to 50 fingerprints in the Wyze app for frequent guests, kids, and even add additional finger options for yourself. Use a code to get in and out. No more manual button smashing to update access codes. Easily create and remove codes for each person in the Wyze app so you can tell who came in and when. Create schedules to decide when they have access. With anti-peeping technology built in, don't worry if someone watches you enter your code. Simply add extra digits before or after your code and Wyze lock bolt will still unlock. Know who came and went in the Wyze app. You can see who exactly came in, how it unlocked, the exact time, and if there were any failed code or fingerprint attempts. Bluetooth connection is required. Never forget to lock the door behind you again. By enabling auto lock, Wyze lock bolt automatically locks the door after a custom set amount of time. Most smart locks barely last 3 months. Wyze lock bolt goes up to a full year with 4 easily replaceable AA batteries. A red indicator light will also light up automatically when battery life is low, reminding you to replace them. If your batteries do die, you're not locked out. An emergency USB-C port built in allows you a brief, instant charge to unlock your door. I will say that USB port would be a godsend, as I actually let my original Wyze lock batteries die once and found myself locked out until I went and grabbed my spare key from my parents' house. It wasn't a fault of the lock itself. It told me the batteries were getting low, I just kept forgetting to change them. Wyze lock bolt replaces your existing deadbolt in about 20 minutes with easy to follow, step-by-step instructions for nearly all standard doors. Sometimes you want to set the mood with a special color of light, or you just want to have light bulbs that you can control with your phone or smart assistant without having to get up and hit that pesky light switch. That's where the Wyze bulb comes into play. Brighter, dimmer, better. Most color bulbs max out at 800 lumens. Tunar's brighter 11 lumens, dimmer 30 lumens, or anywhere between with a wide-ranging lumen output that's as intense or as subtle as you need. Whether it's game day or wine night, precise color control in the Wyze app lets you turn moments into memories. Create custom presets to instantly change scenes with just a tap. Cool it down and focus or warm it up and relax. Dedicated white light controls let you choose the perfect setting for your activity. See truer and more brilliant colors in your home with an advanced color rendering index rating. Never mistake navy for black in your closet again. Shine a brighter light on important reminders. Create time-based color events or automate using other Wyze devices to create powerful visual notifications all in the Wyze app. Never forget one of the best gifts to combine with all of these, a subscription to Amazon Prime to take advantage of free 2-day Prime shipping, exclusive deals, tons of movies and music, and more. Click the link in the description below for a free 30-day trial to make sure it's right for you. Also, if you like the content provided by this channel, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date for all new content as it comes out. New videos and lists will come out every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for your viewing pleasure and to bring you new deals and ideas for your home, family, and life. Thanks so much for tuning in. Take care.